Hi, I'm Mari Pratt, and I'm going to show you how to go in and change your settings for law enforcement sharing or unsharing. So the first thing that you want to do is log into your GEDmatch account and then scroll down to where it says your DNA resources. This will show you the kits that you have and manage. And you can see here, this kit is not opted into law enforcement matching, but these two kits are. So if you want to opt your kit into law enforcement matching, you click on the pencil, and then you scroll all the way down where it says public profile, opt out, change access, opt in. Then click change. And it's just reminding you that you're changing from opt out to opt in. Click OK. And then you can see that your kit is opted in. You can go back home. And now when you scroll down and take a look at your kits, you will see that your kit is opted into law enforcement matching. If at any time you change your mind, click on the pencil again, scroll down to public profile. It says opt in. Go ahead and change that to opt out. Change. It's going to remind you that you are changing it from opt in to opt out. Click OK. Go back home. And now you can see all of your kits, and this one is now opted out of law enforcement matching.